How you doing, guys? We are down here at Toyota dealership down in the city doing some concrete prep work. We've done some electrical trenching already. I think I'm supposed to speak louder. Taylor told me to speak louder, so let's try to do that for you.
Attaboy, Corey.
Put in some electrical conduits for these guys. They're putting in a generator to power the building when there's no power, so we dug some electrical conduits from coming down the wall down there, right through the service entrance, underneath the curb, through this area here, and you can see them popping up over by that tank over there. So that's been all done already. Backfilled, inspected, passed. That's good. What we're doing right now is we're digging in some sauna tubes to put bollards in, protect everything that's going on the pad. So we're just dropping out, we'll get the footage on you. And then we're gonna prep the area for concrete, get that all ready for them to pour. Let's do this. Cody with the hair. Look at those golden locks. It is Friday. It isn't raining. It's gonna be a good day. Everybody's in a good mood. We're always in a good mood. Everybody's happy to be here. We can fill it in a little bit. Let's put a sauna tube in. We also got some new decals on our truck, guys. Turned out really nice. Show you guys what they look like. So we got KW Construction across the tailgate, KW Construction across the box. Look at that. Bam! That's where you want to go for all your soil needs and anything else you might want done. We do it all. He was talking to me.
Trendsetter, I got style for you. Ain't seen you at the top, it's been a while for you. Big you up and they look down on you. Take one loss, no one's around for you. I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, I won't stop. I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, yeah. I'm so handsome. All in Carmine's with my Benz, I'm so fancy. No romancing. Got my baby and she right, she make you vanish. No time to play, got.
Okay guys, we got all the sauna tubes in, all backfilled, all ready to go. Got Corey on the rake down there, Kenny in the shovel, leveling it all out. You guys are gonna ride along with Kenny. Okay guys, we're just getting some fuel right now, then we'll get back at her.
Cool. What's going on, guys? So I don't think Cody or Corey actually ended up filming an ending for that video. Currently right now it's Saturday and I'm actually editing this video that I'm posting today, and I have tons of footage that I'm filming today. I'm working. Hashtag side job Saturday. So I'm doing that today, so expect a video on Monday on what I did this weekend, but that's the video you just watched today is what they did on Friday. My buddy Carson's just sending me a message. Carson Shifsky, what's going on? Guys, go over and check out Carson's channel. He does really awesome stuff. He didn't tell me to say that, and I'm not getting anything out of it, but honestly, I just like supporting the community as a whole. So if you watch the entire video, guys, I appreciate it. Make sure you head over to our website, kwconstruction.ca/merch. Get your merch. You can check it out there. Our Instagram, @KWC2000. Subscribe, thumbs up. Stop promoting yourself. Stop it. Okay, guys, thanks for tuning in. I appreciate you. I'm going to go enjoy that sun, load some topsoil. Take care. No, I didn't forget about you, the true patriots of the channel that watched the entire video to the very end, which is now. You guys are my favorite. I appreciate it. And if you did do that, I want you guys to comment down below Cody Cam, okay? Cody Cam, because Cody was rocking it on the camera today, and we're gonna bring in more Cody Cam for you guys later. So if you watch the entire video, comment down below Cody Cam. I appreciate you guys. I can't get over this sun. I'm gonna go enjoy it. Peace.